Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if can't receive text messages on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button, swipe up. After swipe up and after restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your internet connection. After check your internet connection, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on again settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, the last solution is reset network settings. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset phone and click on reset network and Bluetooth setting. Enter phone pin and you will see click on again reset, you will see reset network settings. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if can't receive text messages on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.